My friends, Coach Vigue, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I was biking out here to film, and I thought, I've done this thousands of times. I've gone out to film here in Florida, all around the country, thousands and thousands of videos outside. And every single one that I do, I'm always excited to get out here. I always have so much enthusiasm and so much hope to come out here, to take some time, to lay a mat down, beautiful outdoors, focus on ourselves, focus on flowing, on challenging ourselves, on the breath, on being in this glorious moment. So it's wonderful. I filmed over there 10 years ago, 11 years ago. Excited then, I'm excited now to be here with you. Let's do a challenging bodyweight core Pilates workout. And we always point ourselves towards the sun. Natural light, no CGI. I don't even wear makeup. I know it looks like I have rouge on, doesn't it? All right, my friends, subscribe, click that notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Enjoy that natural breeze, and let's make a massive difference in what we got. Stronger every day, harder to kill every day. Starting with the Pilates 100 single leg stretch. So right knee in, left leg out, arms to the sides, shoulders back and down. Breathe in the nose, out the mouth. Modify as needed, and always use control. Always. It's your workout. Gonna pump the arms about 4 to 6 inches up and down as we move the legs. Breathing in for 5, exhaling for 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boy, a little faster. Forgive me. What we got going here? Let's cover that up. Single leg stretch. Right knee comes in, left leg out. Stabilize your core, abdominals, lower back, hips and glutes. The anchor right here. Inhale, exhale, draw the knee in. So as we work the core from all angles, we work it as the beautiful center of strength it is. We're also moving the limbs, challenging what we have. Inhale, exhale. Head can be up or down. Man, who wears short shorts all of a sudden? This will either boost the views of this video or decline them. I don't know. We'll find out. Hey, let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some beautiful Pilates going in. Now bring the ankles together, cross them, a slow chest lift. Let's do this. Place the left hand back of the head, fingers here. I like to do this after my workouts at the gym. We exhale, lift up from the chest. So you're really squeezing and concentrating the power in the abdominals. Inhale, slightly back, massaging the spine. Exhale, lift. You can also keep your feet flat if you like, but slow it down. Good. A really precise strike on your abdominals. That includes your movement. Take out all the extra bouncing and jerking. Slow and steady. Feel that squeeze, and then the negative right here. Stretch it out. Feels good. And the fingers here, so we know right away where we're working. There's no doubt. There is no debate right here. It's a little Seinfeld voice right there. You knew it was coming. 2 more times, then we'll switch the ankles and the hands. Really squeeze. Get the blood into the abdominal. 100% focused. Switch the legs. Other hand, right hand to the back of the head. Fingers here. And here we go. You can also extend for a big stretch, zipping up the legs. I just stop pulling on the short shot. Where's my crew? Where's my wardrobe? Slow and steady. Big squeeze, and then the release, the stretch. The yin and the yang of training. The squeeze and the release. Squeeze the orange, release the juice. Enjoy the antioxidants. Let's do 5 more. It might not sound like much, but we're slowing it down like this. Every repetition is its own 80s fitness infomercial on at 2 in the morning. Amazing discoveries. The guy with the sweater, Mike. There we are. Big squeeze. 2 more times, my friends. Noch 2 mehr. I don't know what the legs are doing. They're kind of going along for the ride, but we're lifting, we're imprinting the lower back down. It's very strong. Excellent. Now, a slow crisscross. Right angle, left leg out. Reach across like this. So we're keeping it all exclusively in the abdominals. And I was hoping to show everybody a little bit more of my boxer breath. Reach across. Like you're holding a little volleyball here. Or a crystal ball. 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. Could that be any better? Let's come on up, my friends. Shake out the arms and the legs. Breathe. Let the breath flow through you. In the nose, out the mouth. Let that breath carry you through the day, strong and focused. All right, going to half boat pose, and we will add a twist. We have the sun right up there. It's a beautiful thing. So you can stay in half boat right here, feet off the mat, hands on the legs or arms out. The twist is a little more advanced. Bear with me. We're going to do 10. Classic Pilates move. Exhale, legs out, arms out. Inhale, sorry. This is a great one for any rotational strength needs you have. Rotational flexibility. A lot of grappling, wrestling, jiu-jitsu. Boom. Keeping that buoyancy, that lift. I lost count. Damn, 2 more. I love that, Sean, but the bastard loses count all the time. All right, bring it down onto your back. Windshield wipers with a leg extension. So take the forearms down or the arms out. We're going to drop, extend. Inhale, exhale. Pull the legs towards you so you massage the back, and then extension right here. You're always welcome to grab the foot or ankle a little bit further. Oh, pliable body. How pliable is your body? How adaptable is it throughout the day? Whether it's for what you do at home, your job, sports you play, whatever you do, that you can move well within those activities, whatever you do. I have a 2.5-year-old son, so I'm always lifting him, playing with him. I want to be strong. I want to be vibrant for him, engaged all the time. So it's a huge reason why I continue to do these kind of workouts. I want to be able to play with him for hours. All right. Then do a lot of wrestling. We grapple a lot. 1 more time each side. Never shortchange this twist right here. It's so nice. All the way down the glute, down the leg, into the anthill. Okay. You crunch. You just better wait for this one. Fingers back of the head. We're going to draw legs to the side. Boom. Inhale around. Exhale. Pulse. I say lift the chest away. So legs come in here. You're going to lift the chest this way. But keep a constant load on the abdominals. Time under tension. They're always working here. So there's not a disengagement. You see this a lot. Legs come around, disengage. Gets all soft and then hard. Keep it as engaged as possible. You got to train those muscles to react. The mind sends a signal and the muscles jump into action. Mental training, mental fluidity. I like this one. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. You feeling anything? And 4. That's the stuff. All right. Whew. Pilates planks. Let's bring it around. Just a couple more exercises. You never know when someone's going to come buzzing through here. Lace of fingers. legs out. Little pulse to start. The full Pilates plank if you're interested. Yeah, I heard that. You're gonna exhale forward, drop down, squeeze the arms and shoulders. Little rub on the nose there, and then back. Inhale, exhale. Another one of my fun finishers at the gym. Do strength training, whatever you're doing, and then come down here, do a plethora of core exercises, including planks and some stretching, mobility training. I also like to mix in the mobility training to the workouts, do some squats, do some, I don't know, pull-ups, and then drop down, do some different dynamic flows. 24/7. Let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Feel good? 4. All right, stretch it back. Child's pose. Take the right hand forward. Oh, and rock side to side. My left forearm is down. Nice movement, hinging movement in the armpit, in the back. The body moves with ease. All right, switch sides. There we are. Challenging, challenging. Give your body a chance to constantly adapt to new movements, new ways of thinking, new ways of moving. Ooh, okay. Let's switch the cap. We're going to come down for a classic called the Superman. Or you could say super and put your name in there, whatever you want to do. But it comes from the old Christopher Reeve movies here. We take the arms out and lift up. Inhale, lift up a little bit. Exhale, lengthen. I always like to throw that in. You're always lengthening. Sometimes that's missed. We get into the tensing up. We're tensing up. You actually release into the pose, into the exercise using the breath. There we are. Stretch it out on the exhales. Itch your nose on the exhales. Three more breaths. You can always repeat this workout, but pay attention to your body, what it tells you. You don't want to overload. You want to get just enough. Draw the arms back into a row. Hold here for 5 breaths. And that, my friends, might be the most challenging part, is reading your body. Getting just enough. Not overloading, not too much, because then you have to take more time to recover. My goal is to come out here all the time, every day, and do something, in addition to what else I do. Keeping those muscles alert at all times, keeping the body ready for anything. Okay, again, little child's right hand forward. Let's take the left arm underneath, thread the needle. Rocking forward and back. Excellent. The blood is moving. We take advantage with a beautiful thoracic stretch here, middle and upper back. Don't think that flexibility training exists separate from your core training, from whatever you're doing. Weave it in and out. Other side. Good. The sweat acts as a nice lubricant on the mat. All right. Let's finish off. I got to put the cap down. There we go. It's like a pirate. One eye was closed. Let's finish off a little bridge. And what did I write there? Single leg stretch. What was I? I was really hitting it then, wasn't I? So lift up. Inhale. Good. Nice lift. Take that right leg up. Bring it down. Left leg goes up. Bring it down. Lower down slowly. Tell you what, let's grab on the back of the leg this time. Pull. Let's do 4. 2, engage the abs. 3 and 4. Nice hip flexor stretch. Feet down again. Lift up. We have the bridge. Extend right leg. Down. Extend left leg. Get that meeting of the minds between the calves and the hamstrings. Let them work together to extend the hip flexor, guiding the way. Roll it down. Lengthen the legs a little further. Boom, 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Feet down. And lift up. Right leg. Right leg down. Left leg extension. Let that hip flexor pop it up there. Feet down. Lower, lower, lower. Now, if you want to go further, grab the ankles or calves. Pull. This is single straight leg stretch. We're moving into some beautiful classical Pilates. Pull the leg. Lift. Pull the shorts down. Little obsession I have. Right leg up. Very precise. Bring it down. Stay lifted. Left leg. To the clouds. All right. Roll it down. Have great respect for that spine. And then right leg up. Let's do 8. 1, 2, like you're moving through peanut butter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time with the bridge. Come on up. Right leg. Hold for 5 breaths. Lift with the inhales. Whoop. Ants. Ready for anything. What's that tree gonna do? I'm ready. All right. Plane falls on me, I roll out of the way. There it is, strong. Bring it down, left leg, my friend. A la izquierda. Here we go, the left side. That hawk is looking for me. I block it with my foot. This glorious, timeless movement, my friends. We don't even know what decade we're in anymore. All right, lower down, unless I make some pop culture reference. Once more, 10 times, we're gonna pull. Inhale, exhale, extend the other leg away. 3, 4, slow it down. 5, 6, Cessna, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish off. Make those windshield wipers again with the leg extension, my friends. Excellent work. So much hope in these flows, so much excitement, so much potential. Keeps me going. Hard to put into words. They're just words, but the feeling transcends everything else. Okay, my friends, if this workout helped, please click that like button. Click it, share it on, subscribe, and click the notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts, and to take your training to the next level, to have fun with it, to take it anywhere, anytime, stronger, more flexible, faster, and happier. I wrote this just for you.